If you have no credit score in the United States, you don't exist in the financial system. You can get rejected for apartments, rejected for car loans, rejected for basic credit cards, not because you are bad with money, but because the system has no proof that you can handle credit. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to build your credit from zero, step by step, even if you're starting with absolutely nothing. Let's begin. A credit score is a number between 300 and 850. This number tells banks and lenders how risky you are. The higher your score, the more trustworthy you look. Your score is mainly based on payment history, did you pay on time, credit utilization, how much of your limit are you using, and length of credit history, how long have you had credit, and new inquiries, how often are you applying. If you have no credit, that doesn't mean you're irresponsible. It simply means you haven't started yet. So, let's fix that. The easiest way to start building credit is with a secured credit card. Here's how it works. You deposit money, usually between $200 and $300. That deposit becomes your credit limit. For example, if you deposit $300, your credit limit is $300. This card reports your activity to credit bureaus. That reporting is what builds your score. Important, this is not free money. You are not borrowing to spend. You are building trust. Think of it like training wheels for your financial life. This is where most beginners make mistakes. Let's say your credit limit is $500. If you spend $450, that's 90% utilization. That looks risky to lenders. Instead, keep your usage under 30%. So if your limit is $500, try not to carry more than $150. Lower is even better. High utilization signals stress. Low utilization signals control. And lenders love control. This is the most important rule. Your payment history makes up the largest part of your credit score. Even one late payment can damage your score for months. So what should you do? Set up automatic payments, or at minimum, set reminders, and whenever possible, pay your full balance. Paying only the minimum keeps you in debt longer. Paying in full builds discipline. Consistency builds trust, and trust builds credit. When you're new to credit, it's tempting to apply for multiple cards. Don't do that. Every application creates a hard inquiry. Too many inquiries in a short time lowers your score. Be patient. Use one card responsibly for at least 3 to 6 months, then move forward slowly. Credit building is a marathon, not a sprint. If you have a trusted family member with strong credit, ask if they can add you as an authorized user. If they have good history, it may help your credit profile. But this only works if they are responsible. If they miss payments, it can hurt you too. Choose wisely. Let's quickly go over common beginner mistakes. Maxing out your card, missing due dates, closing your first credit card too early, applying for too many accounts. Avoid these and your score will grow steadily. Most people see their first credit score within 3 to 6 months, but strong credit takes time. Think in years, not weeks. The goal is not just a score. The goal is financial freedom. Let's recap. Get a secured credit card, keep utilization under 30%, always pay on time, avoid too many applications, consider becoming an authorized user. Follow these steps consistently, and you'll build credit the smart way. If this helped you, subscribe for more simple money strategies. New finance videos every week. Start building smart. Start today.